Hey guys, this is a video on how to use your natural hand wash. So you're gonna receive a bottle like this, a little sachet. First thing we're gonna do is take the top off of your bottle, rest that down there. You're also gonna want to set your kettle to boil because we're gonna need that a little bit later. With our kettle boiling, we're gonna get some tap water and fill our bottle just 1/3. Next thing we're gonna do is tear the corner off of your sachet. So you can see there's a line here. We just wanna make sure that it tears just a little corner off, make sure the stream's quite small as we pour it in. Then we're gonna take our bottle and we're gonna just pour all of that hand soap in. You can see that small stream going in. So that one can now go in your compost bin. We'll leave that there. Now that that's in there, we're gonna grab our boiling water and fill that all the way to the top. Just making sure that we make a little bit of room for this pump mechanism here. So we're gonna fill that up almost to the top there. Place that in there. Screw that on. After that, we're gonna give it a shake for 10 to 15 seconds, then let it rest for 10 minutes, and it's ready to go.